Alright, rapid fire science time. What's the deal with earplugs? Are they just little foam thingies, or is there more to the story? Let's dive in, super fast. First, what even are earplugs? They're tiny devices you pop into your ears to block out sound, water, dust, or just plain annoying noises. Basically, they work by filling your ear canal and acting like a little personal force field, reducing noise and protecting your hearing. Think of them as shields for your ears. Simple, but powerful. Now types. The most common earplugs you'll find are foam earplugs. Soft, squishy, disposable, and super cheap. You squish them, stick them in, and they expand to fit your ear canal. They're champs at blocking noise. Noise reduction ratings, or NRR, go up to 33 decibels. That's some heavy-duty protection commonly found on work sites, or in bedrooms for light sleepers. Then there's silicone earplugs. Moldable, reusable, and often washable. They're comfy and good for swimming or concerts when you still want to hear a bit. NRR, usually 15 to 25 decibels. Wax earplugs are another moldable option, less common but great for a custom fit. Banded earplugs? They hang around your neck for quick in-and-out use, perfect for noisy workplaces. And then, the ultimate, custom molded earplugs. These are made just for your ears with fancy impressions or 3D scans, offering the best fit, comfort, and protection. Musicians swear by them. So, which are the best and most efficient? If you want maximum noise blocking for cheap and don't mind tossing them, foam earplugs take the prize. High NRR, easy to find, no cleaning, just replace after a few uses. For the clean freaks or eco-warriors, silicone or custom-molded types are reusable, but you do need to wash them with mild soap and water and let them dry completely. No shortcuts or you risk ear infections. Now, latest discoveries, this is cool. Smart earplugs are on the rise. Active noise cancellation, selective sound filtering, and even antimicrobial coatings to fight bacteria. Scientists are 3D printing custom fits using biocompatible materials and researching how earplugs affect your ear health over time. The big takeaway, proper cleaning is a must, especially for reusable types. Ear health really does depend on it. Here's a hypothesis for you. In the next 5 years, I bet we'll see earplugs with built-in sensors that not only cancel noise, but also monitor the health of your ear canal. Heard it here first. Fast facts. Foam earplugs are the cheapest, most widely available, and don't need cleaning. Just toss them when dirty. Silicone and wax types last longer but need maintenance. Always store your earplugs in a dry case and inspect for wear. If they look or smell weird, out they go. So, to sum up, earplugs are tiny tech marvels with options for every ear and every budget. Foam for cheap, no cleaning convenience. Silicone or custom for comfort and reusability, just wash them. Science is making earplugs smarter, safer, and comfier every year. Provided by www.earplug.com, source of nopal and pinole. Write us at info.earplug.com for discounts, created partly by AI and humans. And yes, AI can scrape the latest info from the global internet. Thanks for tuning in.